Hello children. Okay, so today I have come with one more grammar chapter, that is pronoun. So children, from the chapter only you can know that it is something which is related to noun. We have already learned noun, that is it is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Or you can say it is a naming word. So pronoun is related to noun. So let's see how. So we are going to learn class 5 English grammar, that is chapter 15 pronoun. So children, first learn what is a pronoun with the help of example. Sam is sick. So can you see the picture? Sam is sick. He is not well. Sam called doctors. Many doctors have come to check Sam what happened to him. Sam's mother is very worried, children. Sam's mother called Sam's uncle, and Sam's uncle is a surgeon. So children, here you can see in all the sentences we have used Sam's. Okay. So is it looking good? Can we change the sentence? Is there any other way to write the sentence? Let's see. Okay. So first sentence we have to write the name of the boy. Otherwise, how we will know that which boy we are talking about? So first we have to write Sam is sick. Okay, now here we have got to know, we got the information that we are talking about Sam. Second sentence, Sam called doctor. So in place of Sam, we can write he. He called doctors. Third sentence is Sam's mother is worried. So instead of Sam's, we can write his. In the same way, again Sam's mother is written. So again, Sam's mother called Sam's uncle. So here we are talking about Sam's mother. So we will write he called his uncle who is a surgeon. Or children, see here. Two sentences are given here. Sam's mother called Sam's uncle full stop and it is written here Sam's uncle is a surgeon. But we have translated it into one sentence. She called his uncle. His uncle means Sam's uncle. Here it's written Sam's uncle, but instead of it we have written who is a surgeon. We will learn different kinds of pronouns here, then we will get to know why we have written he, she, his, who. So let's proceed further. Children, here you have learned to pronoun that it is used in place of a noun. So there are many different kinds of pronouns also. Let's see. First is personal pronoun. Second is possessive pronoun. Third is demonstrative pronoun. Then relative pronoun, and the last is reflexive pronoun. So we'll read it one by one now. What are personal pronouns? So personal pronouns refer to the person speaking, means the speaker, the person spoken to, it means the listener, and the person, place or thing spoken about means the third person. We are speaking about the third person. Let's see few examples. Children, in first person, just now we have discussed, it is about the person speaking, means the speaker. Suppose I am speaking. So what are the pronouns I will use here? I can use I, me, my, mine. And in plural, I can use we, us, our, ours. Like here we have read about the second person, the person spoken to. So the listener. So listener can be you, your, yours, and the plural will be same, you, your and yours. And third person, the person, place or thing which is spoken about. So we can use here he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, its. And plural will be they, them, their, theirs. So children, only you have to keep in your mind the first person means the speaker, second person means the listener, and third person means person, place, animal spoken about or spoken of. Let's see few examples. Personal pronouns. She and I will meet you at the theater. Children, can you notice here we have used all the three kinds of personal pronoun here. First person is a speaker, so it is I. Second person is listener, so it is you. And third person we are speaking about, so she. We have used all the three kinds of pronoun here, personal pronoun here. Let's see more example. My teacher gave me another chance to answer the question correctly. Children, please notice here. You will think my is pronoun here. But children, please notice here it's written teacher, my teacher. I have already taught you adjectives and different kinds of adjectives. So you might remember that my is modifying teacher. Teacher is a noun. So my will be possessive adjective. It is not pronoun. Please don't get confused here. But me, it is personal pronoun and it is first person. Did you see the painting that I did for the art fair at our school? Children, again you is second person here, I is first person. And what about our school? Please check again here. School is noun and R is modifying. So it is possessive adjective. My teacher, my is possessive adjective and our school, R is possessive adjective. My mother, again my mother. Mother is noun. My is identifying it or modifying it. So my will be possessive adjective. Reminded us that we had not fed the bird all day. So children, us. It is in plural, plural noun, pronoun. Okay. So it is first person and we also first person. Both are plural, children. So I hope you have understood personal pronoun. Let's move on. Possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun, children, from the word only possessive, you can understand that it is showing some ownership, belongingness or possession. Okay. So a possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. Let's say example. Suppose I am writing, this pen is my pen, not your pen. Children, why to write again my pen? Because already you have mentioned here pen. So this pen is mine. Okay, so mine will be possessive pronoun. But I will explain you this also. Suppose we have written my pen. Pen is noun. Okay, and my is again modifying pen. So my will become possessive adjective. Children, please see the difference. When any word is modifying a noun, it is adjective. So my will be possessive adjective and here mine will be possessive pronoun. In the same way, not your pen. Again, pen is noun, so your will become possessive adjective. And here it's written not yours. And this yours is possessive pronoun. Please see the difference. Suppose one more example is there. This is my laptop. It's mine. Children, laptop is noun, so my will be possessive adjective, but it's mine. This mine will be possessive pronoun. Children, you will get confused between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Just keep in your mind that any word which is modifying a noun, okay, they will become, and it is showing belongingness, then it will become a possessive adjective. But if any word, any pronoun is followed by helping verb, see here, it is followed by is and here also. Okay, so it will be possessive pronoun. Let's see a few more examples so that you will better understand. I have shown here possessive pronoun and possessive adjective both. So there will be no confusion. First person, I. Possessive pronoun will be mine. Just now we have read in the example. And possessive adjective will be my. Like we have read my pen. In plural, plural of I is we, mine is ours, and my will be our. In the same way, children, second person, subject will be you. Possessive pronoun will be yours. This book is yours. But possessive adjective, this is your book. Your book. Okay. Third person, subject is he. So possessive pronoun will be his. This book is his. But here we will write this is his book. Children, I am giving example sentences also. Okay. So that you will better understand it. Now, her, hers. This book is hers. But here this is her book. It. This book is its. And this is its book. They, theirs. This book is theirs and here this is their book. Okay. Next is demonstrative pronoun. The words this, that, these, and those are called demonstratives because they demonstrate a point of people, places, or things. Children, can you see his finger? When we need to point something, we always use our index finger. Okay, look at this book, look at that book, these books, those books. So when you are pointing something towards people, places, or things, they are demonstrative pronoun. Let's see example. Singular form. This is an apple. It is near in distance, so we have used this. But when we are using something which is far in distance, we use that is an apple. So children, these are demonstrative pronoun. And how will you write in plural form? These are apples. It is near in distances and it is plural, so we have written these are apples. In the same way, what is the plural of that? Those. Those are apples. Demonstrative adjectives and pronouns, children, like we have discussed now, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. In the same way, you may have confusion in demonstrative adjective and pronoun. Children, see, words are same, this, that, these, and those, but there is a difference. Let's see what first demonstrative adjective. Okay, it describes a noun. Suppose we are writing this chair is broken. So again, see, this is I modifying a chair. Okay, we are talking about this chair. So this is demonstrative adjective. In the same way, that car is expensive. These clothes are wet. Those birds are flying south. Can you see all nouns are here? And this, that, these, those, they are modifying these nouns. They are telling about, they are describing about these nouns. They are telling more about these nouns. So they are demonstrative adjective. But what is demonstrative pronoun? It identifies someone or something like, this is my chair. That is Peter's house. These are her clothes. Those are migrating birds. You will always see helping verb with the demonstrative pronoun, like we have seen in examples before. Okay. So I hope you have understood what is the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Now the next is relative pronoun. Relative pronouns take the place of nouns or pronouns. They are called relative pronouns because they always relate back to something or someone else. It is showing relation, children, okay? They are used to join two sentences about the same person or thing. Let's see example one by one. First is who. It replaces the subject pronouns like I, she, he, we, they. Children, do you remember the first example I was talking about Sam? There we have written who is a surgeon. So we are not asking a question who is a surgeon, but we were talking about Sam's uncle. Okay, his uncle, Sam's mother calls his uncle who is a surgeon. So here they are showing relation. Example, this is the man who broke the window. So we are talking about the man, the same man. Okay, it is showing the relation about the man and the window. Whose? It show possession or relationship. How? She knew the family whose house we bought. Next is whom. It replaced the object pronouns like me, her, him, us, and them. For example, they have found a lady whom they want to interview. Okay, like here, who's this talking about? She knew the family whose house we bought. We are talking about family. Okay, so whose is telling about family, and here whom. Here we are talking about lady. Which it relates to animals or objects. Let's see how. My precious blue lamp, which was in the room, was broken. So here we are talking about lamp. That. It relates to people, animals, or things. The lamp that was in the room was broken. Children, you see here, here also, which we have used for a thing, that is lamp, and here that we have used for thing only, that is lamp. So it depends on the sentence that where you have to use which or that. When we will do the book exercise, it will be more clearer. Reflexive pronouns, children. A reflexive pronoun is usually used when the object of a sentence is the same as the subject, as you will see below. Children, you already have learned subject and predicate. Okay, so you know what is a subject. Subject means whom we are talking about. So let's see. Correct. I cut myself. What is subject here? Whom we are talking about here? We are talking about I. Okay, so I is subject. Cut myself. So children, can you see myself means what? It is talking about the subject only, means I. Okay, so myself will be reflexive pronoun. Both are talked about the same person. And what is incorrect? I cut me. It is a wrong sentence. Let's see one more example. Okay, each personal pronoun like I, you, she, etc. has its own reflexive form. Okay, let's see the reflexive pronoun, singular and plural. First person. Suppose I am talking about myself, it will change into ourselves. Okay, one thing I want to tell. Okay, second person. It is yourself, plural will be yourselves. Third person like himself, herself, itself. So it will change into themselves. Okay, children, I hope you have understood. When we will discuss the book work, then it will be clearer to you. Okay, we will do one more time revision. So please read the book, keep learning and keep shining. Thank you, children.